Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas. Right now I'm at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. That's where I'm staying this week. And I'm hanging out today, or this morning I should say, at the Flamingo Habitat. It's an escape that I like to go to get away from the craziness of the Las Vegas Strip. We're just going to walk around this morning to check out some birds and some water features and the landscaping. It's really a beautiful place. I don't think there's flamingos here today. I'm not sure if it's because it's a little bit chilly or because of some kind of virus going around. They removed the birds, I know, earlier this season because of some kind of avian virus or avian flu, and they wanted to protect the birds. So I'm not sure the reason. I don't think they're here today though, but let's take a walk around and see what is here today, shall we? So a couple quick things about this video. It was released earlier this year, about 6 months ago, as a unedited video. It was kind of like an experiment. Some of you guys probably remember that. I'm going to put a link to the unedited version. No music, no commentary, no nothing. And you can compare the two if you'd like to do that to see what the difference is between raw footage and edited videos on the New York channel. And something I didn't mention in the introduction is after we're done taking our stroll through the Flamingo Habitat here at the Flamingo Hotel and Casino, we'll step inside and have a burger at Johnny Rockets, so stay tuned for that. You may notice the twinkle lights here on the palm tree, and at night this place lights up all different shades of purple and whites, and it's really beautiful at night as well. Later in this video, I will give you several shots of the Flamingo Habitat at night as well. Just like you can buy a park bench in Central Park, New York City, you can buy a brick here at the Flamingo Habitat. I'm looking forward to an upcoming trip to Las Vegas in 2 weeks, so Flamingo will be my home base. I do have comp rooms at other hotels, including definitely Mandalay Bay. I'm dying to go there for their pool. I have a comped room there, so I want to give you guys a view of that beautiful pool complex they have there at Mandalay Bay. Plus 2 or 3 other comped rooms, but I will be staying at the Flamingo in between. It's pretty much, like I said, going to be my home base for the upcoming trip. It's a great value hotel. It has a nice pool. Of course, it has this habitat, and I've stayed here before and never had an issue. And there you can see the sign, flamingos are off display temporarily. This was filmed earlier this year, so I'm pretty sure the flamingos are back. This little dock here is where they do feeding time. They feed the fish and the birds and the turtles and you name it. They do have feeding times posted somewhere around here, and if you'd like to see that, there's a lot of animal activity when that person steps out onto that dock. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I've stayed here twice before, and one of the things I like about it is, besides it's relatively inexpensive and it's in a dynamite location, pretty much center strip, is that the rooms that I've stayed in so far had great views. One was of the strip, that was my last trip here. It was of Caesar's Palace across the street, looked beautiful day and night. And the other room was facing this habitat, as well as the high roller observation wheel, the Link Promenade, which lit up beautifully at night. Between the purple habitat at night and the high roller, it was a great view as well. So pretty much guaranteed. I'm not going to say I haven't stayed, obviously, in all the places you could possibly stay here at the Flamingo, but the places that I have been, the views were fantastic, regardless of the direction. Speaking of Bugsy Siegel, I do plan on visiting the Mob Museum again. It's been a good 3 years, I think, since I've been there. I'm sure they have some new exhibits, so I'm going to be checking that out, as well as other new places when I'm in town. I also plan on visiting some off-the-beaten-track hotels and casinos, including Sam's Town, which really isn't that far from the Strip. I've seen it in a lot of videos. I've yet to do one, so I'm definitely going to head over there as well. I also plan on renting a convertible while I'm here in town, and have a lot of plans for this particular convertible. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag right now. I just have to say, stay tuned. When you start seeing these new videos from Las Vegas, that convertible is going to be in a lot of them. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. With very few exceptions, just about every hotel and casino on the Las Vegas Strip has some kind of place to get married, whether it's a chapel or this gazebo here at the Flamingo Habitat. Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New Yawk channel, check out the new Facebook New Yawk fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. A couple shots of the Go pool and the family pool here at the Flamingo. Really nice pool for a value hotel. And before we head inside for a quick burger at Johnny Rockets, we're going to check out the Flamingo Habitat at night. And as promised, I'm stepping inside to Johnny Rockets here at the Flamingo for a quick burger. Not a restaurant review or anything like that. I'm just going to order a burger and show it to you guys. I love Johnny Rockets, as you guys know. They're pretty much everywhere here on the Las Vegas Strip. Very convenient, good comfort food at a decent price. So here I am, just ordering a burger. Well, that's it from the Flamingo Habitat. Like I said, one of my favorite places to hang out when I want to get away from the craziness of the Strip. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the New Yawk channel. It really does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New Yawk videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.